In this video, you will see how to write inside a circle in Word document like this. It's very easy. So if you are interested, keep watching. First, go up to Insert option and under the Insert option, click on Shape and select the oval shape under the Basic Shapes. Press Shift on your keyboard and then draw the circle. By default, circle will be of blue color. Right click and click on Format Shapes. If you don't want color, select No Fill, but if you want color, then select Solid Fill, and you can select the color of your choice from here, or you can select gradient like this. And if you want to change the border thickness, you can change it from here and the color as well. Now to write inside circle, right click and click on Add Text. Now go up to Home option and select the black color and type the text. Select the text and then you can also change the font size from here and make it bold as per the requirement. Comment below and let me know if this video helped you. And don't forget to check out these useful videos shown on screen to know more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next videos.